Here you have your water heater closet. Here you have your second bathroom with a nice rainfall shower head. And like I said, the elegance and the love that was put into renovating this unit is shown in the features and the finishes, right? You have your glass partition wall here and glass door. You have your shower niche right there and nice tiles to go in your shower there. Now, a neat thing here is you have the LED lights bordering your mirror here, and you have your defogger as well, which is cool.